Are on hold at criminal court, or Orleans criminal court rather, until the end of February.
They are, and it comes after the court revealed it had been violating state law by excluding people previously convicted of felony crimes from serving on juries.
Paul Murphy is outside of the Orleans DA office with this story. Paul?
Cherise, Katie, Orleans District Attorney Jason Williams spoke briefly about the judicial hold at a late afternoon news conference. He is weary of any trial delays, but said we have to follow the law. The halls of justice in New Orleans were silent on Tuesday. Criminal District Court Chief Judge Robin Pittman announced in a letter to the advocacy group Voice of the Experienced that no juries would be called until at least March. Vote raised concerns about the court's current practice of automatically excluding convicted felons from serving on a jury. That's a violation of a recent state law co-authored by New Orleans State Senator Royce DePlessis.
We want trials to proceed swiftly and as quickly as possible so that justice is served, but I think by making a temporary pause to get it right is the right thing to do.
The law allows felons to serve on juries as long as they have been off probation or parole for more than 5 years.
Despite the fact that someone may have a felony on their record or a felony conviction, that does not take away their ability to weigh in on what is just or what isn't just.
The controversy came to a head Monday as defense attorneys for a man being tried for second-degree murder objected to the jury exclusion. Orleans District Attorney Jason Williams said he was not aware the question was included in the jury summons.
And so I was not aware of what was being sent out. Now that I've been made aware of it, we are hopeful that can be corrected quickly and that we can get back to work at Tulane and Broad faster than 1 month or a month and a half's time.
Orleans public defenders in a statement said, "We are troubled by the ongoing deficiencies in the current jury system. New Orleans juries remain woefully unrepresentative of our entire community and far from equitable." The halt now raises questions about jury convictions obtained since the new law was adopted in mid-2021. That includes last week's trial of Donald Rowe, the man convicted of murdering New Orleans rapper Young Greatness, who was born Theodore Jones. Williams personally prosecuted the case.
So I'm hopeful that conviction and every other conviction we've gotten since March will stand.
And for now, Orleans Civil District Court, which has the same jury summons system as the criminal court, does not plan to pause any of its trials. A spokesman for the court told us that the judges declined to say whether they plan to change their jury questionnaire. In Mid-City, Paul Murphy, Eyewitness News.